finding square root of imperfect squares. So this concept, you'll use the division method to find out the square root of any imperfect. Even perfect square also we can find the square root using the same method. So let us have the some examples based on even imperfect. Before starting, if any question is given, for example 65,536, if you want to find out the square root of this, assume this number two digits as one set from right side 36556, and if the question is 996004, that is 9,96,004. So from right side you have to mark two numbers. So this is the pattern to do this division method. Let us start with easy examples how to find out the square root of any number like perfect square or imperfect square. First let us see some perfect squares. For example 529. We need to find out the square root of this. According to the method, from the right side we need to make set 2. Again 1 only is we have. So just mark this. Right. Next, keep the line. We have to use the division method, right? So first set is 5. Now check 5 is nearest to which perfect square. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 3 is 9. So 5 is less than 5. 4 is the nearest perfect square because 9 is more than 5. So 2 into 2 is 4. So you are right. Here is 2, same number. So this left side and right side, divisor place and quotient place must be same place, same number. So 2 into 2 is 4. Write down. Then you can subtract this. 5 minus 4 is 1. After subtracting, next full set we should take down. That is 29. This is the method. This is the first step. Check the 5. 5 is nearest to perfect square is 4. So 2 is a 4. In case if it is other than this, so more than, in case if it is only 3 is there. So you can take 1 into 1 because 3 is less than 4. So let me see other examples. First we will have to finish this. 2 into 2 is 4. Subtract 1. Next set you can take it as down. Then units place. In this 2 we have no, again add with same number. What are the units digit? Only unit places we have. So add the same number and write 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, after 4, this and this must be same number. Which number? 41 into 1 until you get 129. 4 dash 4 dash. That means same number should be. Here is 1 means 1. 41 into 1, 41. 42 into 2, 84. You can do until you get 129. Right. Next one, 43 into 3. So 129. So same place it is. That means here if we keep 3, same 3 should be here. 43 into 3 is 129. Exactly we got 0. So after getting which is the place in this quotient. So we got 23, right? That's why square root of 529 is equals to 23. This is one example. Okay, see one more example. Let's take 4-digit number. We'll get more clear. Now question is find the square root of 3249. Now this is the number. Is our step is first 49, 32, make it as one set. First set is 32. So 32 is check nearest to perfect square. 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25, 6 6 is 36, coming more than 32. So previous number. 5 times 5, 25. Should be same number, left side and right side, remember. 5 into 5 is 25. Subtract this. 32 minus 25 is 7. After subtracting, we are supposed to take next set down. 49. Now whatever in this place should add again same number. 5, no, add one more 5, 10. After writing this, then keep the marking. This and this should be same number. Like 101 into 1, 102 into 2 until you get this. So if you keep on doing 107 sevens are 749. You can check 7 sevens are 49, no 9 ending. It's matching. Same number 107 sevens are 749. That means square root of 3249. 3249 square root is 57. Same way, let us have the one more number. Okay, take the 5-digit number, then we'll go for the imperfect squares. Take one more example. 65536. 65,536. Okay, this is a number. First step from right side, 36 is one set, 55 and 6. Okay, check this 6 nearest to perfect square. 2 2 is a 4, 3 3 is a 9, but it's 6 it is. So 2 times 2 is 4. Same number. Don't do 2 3s are. It's not like normal division. Division method you are following. 6 minus 4. Subtract this 2. Next set. 55 as it is. So 255. Next units place is 2. No, add one more 2. It is a 4. Then after 4, units place should be match. Like same number. 41 into 1, 42 into 2, 43 into 3 or 44 into 4 until you get 255 or less than 255. You do keep on doing 45 times 5, 225, because 46 6 are more than 255. Then subtract this 30. Then take the next set, full set 36. According to our method, whatever the units place should add again same number. 5 is units place, no? Add again one more 5. 45 plus 5 is 50. Then after 50, next place. This both should be same. That means 501 into 1 or 502 into 2, 503 into 3 until you get 3036. 506 6 3036 0. Therefore square root of 65,536 is equals to 256. So these are the perfect squares, exactly remain to 0 you got. In case if it is imperfect, if it is not perfect square, how to do? See one example. Let me take 792. Okay, this is the number. According to the method, from right side same marking you do, two numbers, only one we have. Now here is 7, no? 3 3 is a 9, coming more than 7. So 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract this, 7 minus 4 is 3. Method is same until the last step. Next to 92 you can take it as down. 2 should be double, adding one more 2, that is 4. So after 4, place should be empty. That means 41 ones are 42 twos are until you get or less than 392. That is 48 times 8, because 49 nines are more than 392. 48 eights are so 384. If you subtract 392 minus 84 is 8. So you got 8 as the last number. There is nothing to take down. Now normal method is after the units place should add again same number. Units place is 8, right? You can add one more 8. 48 plus 8 is 56. So in this place to adjust there is nothing. Now you can stop. Actually this is 28 point something should get 792 square root. Now for this, after whatever the remainder you got, right? So divide this 8 by 56. This last one whatever you got, 8 divided by 56. This calculation you should do normal divisions. What is the last number you get? That one divided by this last number. You get in decimals. So 0.8 divided by 56. Up to 2 decimals you can do division. You get 1/4. So that means 28.14. You can stop this. So 792 square root approximately 28.14. Imperfect square roots keep on going. So whatever the remainder you got last step, divide by in this divisor place. We should do division. See another example. Let's take one more example. 656. Okay. Take marking 2 2. Just 2 2s 4. Subtract this 2 will get next to 56. 2 should be double. That is 4. Means plus 2. Units place, no? Again in this 45 5 5s are 45 5s are 225. Subtract 31. Then whatever the number you can add units plus one more 50. Then there's nothing to take down. Immediately what should do? Take 31 divided by 50. 31 divided by 50 you can do. So 0.55. Normal division method you can do is. Therefore the answer is 25.55 approximately. So 656 square root is 25.55 you can write. Same method, last one divide by this. Up to 2 decimals is simple. Normal division you can just do it fast. Okay, so this is the division method, generally long division method, or to find out the square roots. Instead of prime factorization method, so this division method you can do fast.